What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video I'm gonna talk about three new devices which are going to be seen in upcoming days from Motorola, and these devices are namely Moto G8, Moto G8 Power, and a new device Moto G Stylus, which has a stylus design just like we have seen in Note 10 Plus. So the key specification regarding these particular devices has been leaked over the internet, and according to XDA developer and 91 mobiles have shared the live images and even these render images of these particular devices. Specification is also released right now, and we are not yet been confirmed what are going to be the price of these particular device and what is the launch date of these devices. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. So guys, first we are going to talk about the Moto G8 specification, and according to XDA developer, the display of upcoming Motorola G8 is going to be of 6.39 inch with 15 by 60 by 720 of screen resolution. It is also coming with single punch hole camera cutout on the front side, and the front is most probably be an LCD display. Also we see a physical fingerprint scanner on the back side where the Motorola logo is mounted. So in terms of processor, it is coming with a Snapdragon 665 processor, and the RAM are not yet been confirmed. Either we see a 2, 3 or even 4 GB of RAM inside that particular device, and even the storage are going to be seen in two different variants like 32 GB of RAM or 64 GB of internal storage is going to be seen in this device. Triple camera sensor is present on that particular device, and in which the main camera is expected to be of 16 megapixel of a main sensor, 2 megapixel of a macro lens, and 8 megapixel of wide angle camera sensor on the back side. Front camera is expected to come with an 8 megapixel of selfie camera. Battery wise, it is expected to come with 4000 mAh of a battery with 10 watt of fast charging, whereas the other variant Motorola Moto G8 Power is have a small screen size, but the bezels of this particular device are slimmer. According to leak specification, it is coming with a 6.36 of screen. It is also coming similar design with a single punch hole camera cutout present on the top of the device. Also this device is coming with the IPS LCD display on front of Moto G8 Power. Snapdragon 665 processor is also coming in this particular device as well, and there is one variant is going to be seen in this particular device, and that would be a 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Quad camera setup is going to be seen in this particular device. There is only one camera difference between the Moto G8 and Moto G8 Power devices, and that would be an 8 megapixel of telephoto or even a depth sensor camera is going to be seen. Front side we see a 25 megapixel of main camera sensor, and a huge improvement in the power lineup as we already know is the battery, and this time the Moto G8 Power is coming with a 5000 mAh of a battery with a 18 watt of fast charging support. So there are particularly rumor over the internet regarding that Motorola is rumored to be working on Moto phones with a stylus support, and we recently see that there are renders from 91 mobiles which they have published on their website. Now they have shared the live images of this upcoming Moto G stylus device, and also they share the Geekbench score of that particular device as well, which means that the Moto G stylus is a real device, and we might see this device alongside with the Moto G8 and G8 Power devices. There are some specifications regarding that particular device has been released, but first if we look at the design of that particular device, we are seeing the similar punch hole camera cutout present on the top left hand corner of Moto G stylus. On the back we see quad camera sensor on the back side, and even the physical fingerprint scanner is going to be seen on the back of the device with an LED flashlight. According to 91 mobile, the screen resolution will be of 6.3 inch full HD plus display is going to be seen in upcoming Moto G stylus device, and it is powered with a Snapdragon 6 series chipset, and probably it would be a 665 processor inside it. 4 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage is expected in this, and also it is supported by micro SD card. The handset is likely to pack a 4000 mAh of a battery and will have a fast charging support. This stylus functionality and placement is something that remains to be seen when it goes official, and they don't know about that. The stylus functionality and placement is still unknown, and we will see that when it goes official on MWC 2020, which is expected to be the launch date of these three devices. Geekbench score also shares us that the upcoming devices are coming with an Android 10 support and a 4 GB of RAM inside this particular device. So guys, what you think about the Motorola upcoming Moto G stylus device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and so thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.